Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mercer County, northwestern Burlington County, southwestern Somerset County, southwestern Middlesex County, southeastern Bucks County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Hopewell to near Palmyra, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Bensalem, Ewing, Willingboro, Princeton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Bordentown, Pennington, Beverly, Yardley, Hopewell, Towertown, Langmore, and Florence Roebling. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 352 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 34 and 40. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 43 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.